So I think it's 2.64 ounces of the shea butter from Windy Point. Butter, mango butter. It was 0.54, not 0.61. And this is also from Windy Point. It's so grainy. Gotta heat it up really good. So I've added the coconut oil. It's 3.34 ounces. And the water here I'm using is at look like 2.5, 0.22 of BTMS 50 for my hair. It's gonna make the hair nice and soft. I am actually making this my hair, for my hair conditioner, and I'm not sure if I want to put any fragrance in there, but the mango butter, I usually have another butter, cocoa butter. I like to use the three butters together. However, this will do just fine. And I really like the fluffiness of it. And I did try it on my hair. It's really works really works very well for people with kinky hair like my hair. Honestly, I don't take care of my hair. Let's be honest here. I don't take care of my hair as I should. But when I put these products in, it works. It softens the hair very good. No greasiness to the hair, and I really, really like it. Okay, for this, I forgot to mention I did add a bit more coconut oil. So it's gonna be fine. I did test it. Um, I tested it on my finger, on my hands, and it dries right into the skin. However, I don't know how it's gonna work for the hair.